Okay, so I'm back. The doors are in now. And that's what it looks like from the inside. And again, this area right here will be for the restroom. This side over here, let me back up. Turn the phone to the side. And that part I'm going to utilize for the kitchen. Should have got my microphone. And up here will be the loft. I can't get up there right now because I don't have a ladder. I'm gonna be working on that. And we're gonna go outside here. Shut the door, and these are French doors so I can open up both sides. And this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like outside here. Here's the side. On the side. And this is the other side. And this is what I have out front. And the doors. It's beautiful. All right. Be back in the work in progress. I got floors coming that I'm gonna get it tomorrow, so I'm not sure exactly when I'll be installing the floors. But I did get vinyl floors, so it's just a peel and stick on here. So I got 4 boxes, and I'll probably include that with this post so you can see what the floors will look like for the bottom. I only got enough for the bottom. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do up top here. And this shed for, of course, Tuff shed is, the square footage is 120, so it doesn't need permits. It's an 8 by 15, so it doesn't need permits. And stay tuned for the progress. I'm gonna have someone come in and do electrical. If not, I'm gonna try to do it myself, but I'm gonna try to have some professional person to come in and do it. Up here, I was thinking of mounting my TV there once the electrical and drywall is put in. Ceilings, I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do with the ceiling yet, but the theme of this tiny house is going to be very interesting. I am going to be incorporating Halloween since it's really literally right around the corner. So I will be incorporating Halloween. So this is the little windows here. They don't open, but the lighting is good. And then I have the skylights. I kind of wanted them over the loft area to give a little more lighting up there. It was supposed to be over, like one more over, but it's fine right there because it'll give more lighting over the kitchen area, even though I have this big picture window that I actually added after the purchase. I added this window, these windows, this window, and this window, and these back here were included. This one here was an addition because I needed a little more ventilation and a kitchen or a window for my kitchen, or I wasn't quite sure because I was thinking maybe a window in the loft, which I probably should have added a window in the loft, but that's okay. I might do a ceiling fan, but we'll see how things go, how things progress. The framing is gonna go in afterwards, after the drywall is put in. But I'm loving how it looks currently right now, even though it's just a shell, but things will look absolutely amazing after I'm done. Okay, this is it. It's finished today. It's finished. Oh, one more thing. I did create a quick fire pit, and it literally cost me $25. Never mind the stuff back here. It was a lot of work. So this was the fire pit. I tested it, and it came out pretty good. It's a little janky looking, but I mean it works. You see, all it is just a tub that cost me $25. I got it from Lowe's, and I pretty much used the other materials was already here on the property that was left behind, because this here, this uplifted area was actually an addition. It didn't come with the house. The previous owners actually created this, so there was materials and things still left over. The flowers and stuff I planted in the pots or also materials and stuff that was left from the previous owner, so I'm just utilizing it for my little tiny home back here. There's quite a bit of these pots, and if you are the type of person that's kind of outdoorsy, you like to fix up your outdoor area and stuff, you know these things are very costly. So it was kind of cool for me to have these things already here, and I could just kind of use them and what's the word for it, kind of recondition them or whatever, and then still continue to use them. These flowers I actually got from Lowe's. They were clearance for $2, and you can see they're very much still alive, very pretty, vibrant. These were $5, so I got 2 of these. And here's one over here. Some more of the little flowers. So yeah, and there's quite a few fruit trees back here, so I'm gonna be pretty much caring for the fruit trees. This is a lime tree. That one right there is a peach tree with a, I believe, a plumogram tree behind it. Plumogram, placentum, whatever you want to call them. So you can see them. The tree is very full. And then over here, never mind the mess. This is stuff that's going to go out, because this all the stuff that was cleaned up back here. So that's going to be going out for trash. And we have the flowers. These flowers are absolutely just gorgeous. They remind me of the flowers in the movie Color Purple. They're beautiful. So I trimmed it up, made it look a little better. And yeah, so stay tuned for the renovations of the tiny house, backyard tiny house. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.